Time earlier this year, we were very much in a paper towel shortage, and Americans still having trouble finding them. According to a CNN report, that's partly because people are still hoarding, but the shortage also has to do with the way that companies make their paper towels. Manufacturers operate with the costs at a minimum, meaning they produce only as much as they think customers will need. The pandemic has left many unprepared, and the shutdown of plants and freezing of supply chains has left companies unable to ramp up production. So even if you are lucky enough to see paper towels at your store, finding them at a normal price still isn't easy.